In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order history Flutterflow. We're going to build a simple order history flow inside Flutterflow so users can see their past purchases clearly and in the right order. The first thing you need to do is create an orders collection or table in your backend. Inside that collection, add the fields you'll need to store each order properly. These include order ID as a string, user ID as either a reference or string, order date as a timestamp, status as a string, total amount as a number, items as a list or subcollection, and payment method as a string. Setting up these fields correctly at the beginning is important because everything on the history and details pages will depend on this structure. Next, go to your checkout page. After a payment is completed successfully, add a Create Document action. This action should save the order information into the orders collection. Make sure the order details are written at that moment, and be especially careful to store the current user's ID in the user ID field. That connection is what allows each person to see only their own order history later. Once that is done, create a new page called Order History. On this page, add a list view widget, then connect that list view to the orders collection as its data source. This will allow the page to automatically display order records from your backend. Now configure the backend query for that list view. Set a filter so that user ID is equal to the current user's UID. Then sort the results by order date in descending order. This ensures that users only see their own orders and that the newest ones show up first, which is usually the most helpful layout. Inside each list item, display the main order details users will want to scan quickly. Show the order ID, order date, order status, total amount, and number of items. Keep this layout clean and easy to read. You can also add a View Details button that takes the user to a separate order details page. On the order details page, pass the selected order document as a parameter. Then display the full order information, including customer information, ordered items, quantity, price, payment method, shipping address, and order status. This page gives users a complete view of a specific purchase without overcrowding the history screen. Finally, test everything carefully. Place a test order, then verify that a new order document is created in the orders collection. Open the order history page and confirm that only the signed in users' orders appear and that the newest orders are listed first. If that works, your order history setup is ready to use.